This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Velina Crook bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862. Ease of living. Enjoy life in this 2-bedroom 2-bath condo. It features a functional open floor plan, brand new stove, and a covered balcony, where you can enjoy picturesque valley views and a cool summer breeze. The outside is beautifully landscaped, in addition to a security gate and covered parking. All of this, just minutes from downtown Sonora. Copy and paste this link for a 3D tour, https://my.matterport.com/m=db4xhzz and brand equals 0 for more information. Review the details below or contact Velina Crook bedroom BRE number 01013957, LIC number 02027862 at 209-532-6993.